Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you Geography Lesson 4 Agriculture, the concluding part of your chapter, page 44 to 46. And food security is being deleted from your syllabus. Up to impact of globalization you have to study, and food security is being omitted. Our first topic is there, the declining share of agriculture in the GDP is a matter of serious concern. Explain. It is a type of skill based question. Answer will be because any decline and stagnation in agriculture will lead to a decline in other spheres of the economy, having wider implications for society. That much only you have to write. Next is there, what is ICAR? Question number 2. First you will write it stands for Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Second, it was set up to modernize establishments related to agriculture such as agricultural universities, veterinary services, animal breeding centers, horticulture development, and research and development in the field of meteorology and weather forecast, Mausam Vibhag, meteorology. Third point, it gives priority for improving agriculture. Question number 3, again it is a skill based question. The growth rate in agriculture has been decelerating, which is an alarming situation. Explain. Skill based question answer. 3 marks. First, Indian farmers are facing a big challenge from international competition and reduction in the public investment in agriculture sectors. Second, subsidy on fertilizer is decreased, leading to increase in the cost of production. Third point, reduction in the import duties in agricultural products have proved detrimental to agriculture in our country. Detrimental means reducing. Question 4, why an Indian farmer does not want his son to become a farmer? Skill based question. 3 marks question. It can be also of 1 mark also there. First is there, due to uncertain and poor income. Second, weather conditions are not always favorable. Third, cost of production is increasing day by day. Fourth, farmers are always exploited by speculators, middlemen speculators. Question number 5, skill based question. Think of alternative opportunities in the agriculture sector. Half into 6, 3 marks. It will be pisciculture, horticulture, sericulture, setting up of cold storages, rural infrastructural development, and setting up cottage industries. Question 6, why are farmers committing suicides in several states of the country? Skill based question answer, 3 marks. Number A, due to failure of crops. Second, number B, not able to pay their dues and loans. Number C, due to poverty, they come into debt trap. And number D, they are harassed by money lenders. Next, we have to do question 7, the last topic of your chapter from the concluding part of your chapter there. What is the impact of globalization on agriculture? If it is 3 marks, you will write 3 points. If it is 5 marks, you will write 5 points. You don't need not write all the points. You can copy even 5 points in your copy there, but try to write the important points. Number A, our agriculture products are not able to compete with the developed countries because of highly subsidized agriculture in those countries, developed countries. Number B, the Green Revolution caused land degradation due to overuse of chemicals, drying aquifers, land and rocks which are holding the water, they are called aquifers, and vanishing biodiversities. Number C, organic farming is much in vogue today because it is practiced without factory made chemicals such as fertilizers and pesticides. Number D, Indian farmers have a bleak future if the if they continue if they continue growing food grains on the holdings that grow smaller and smaller as the population rises. Number E, poor farmers faces the diversification problem of cropping pattern from cereals to high value crops. Number F, in many parts of our country, our farmers are yet to be upgraded with the modernization of agriculture, which is a big challenge. Last point, the import of agricultural agro products have led to the decline of the sale of agro products of Indian farmers. So these are the main questions, that is from the chapter. Kindly do these question answers in your copy. Okay, thank you.